to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this makeup look right here. Valentine's Day is quickly approaching, and I wasn't going to film this look for my channel, to be honest, because obviously this is not your everyday or just colorful glam. This is not something that most of us would actually wear to go outside. But I thought it was super fun, super festive, and I feel like YouTube is lacking looks like this, if that makes sense. So it's like, you know what? Let me just film it. It's a fun look. It's creative. If you just want to sit down and follow my tutorial and kind of learn little tips and tricks, then this is the perfect video for you. Also, I wanted to just let you guys know we're going to be using a brand new palette in today's video. It's not new on the market, but it's one that I haven't used on my channel yet, and it is the Lorac Pro, the Artistry Chapter 2 palette. This is what the palette looks like right here. It's so beautiful, you guys. I'm obsessed. I absolutely love the colors in here. I think they're so beautiful. You have mattes, you have shimmers, and you also do have pressed glitters as well. So a super fun palette. This is a UK brand, so shipping is a little bit more. However, I will say that their shipping is pretty fast considering they're all the way in the UK. So yeah, this is the look that I'm going to be showing you guys. We're also doing things a little bit backwards in today's video. I'm starting off with showing you guys my complexion and all of my base products, applying my foundation, primer, things like that. So I hope you guys are excited. I hope you like this look because I truly love it. It took so long. I honestly started doing this look around 6 p.m. and it is currently 12 o'clock in the morning. It has been a long night, but I really wanted to get this look done, and I just like to sit down and have fun sometimes. So like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Before we jump in, please don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you guys have not already. And of course, without further ado, if you would like to see how I created this makeup look today, then just keep on watching. Alright you guys, so let's go ahead and get started with today's look. So I first went ahead and prepped my lips with one of the new lip balms from the new KYLIE Valentine's Day collection. This packaging is so cute, I have to show you guys. And then, like I said, we're going to be starting with complexion. So I'm going with the PIXI Vit C Priming Oil. It's amazing. Definitely go to your local Target and pick it up because it is so good. And then for foundation, I'm going to go in with the MOIRA Beauty Complete Wear Foundation. I know I've been using this foundation so much lately, but I love it. It's such an amazing foundation. If you like a full coverage foundation that really wears well throughout the day, you're really going to enjoy this one. I use mine in the shade 300 and 325. I do have to mix the shades for a perfect color for my skin, but it is just stunning and it applies to the skin so well, as you can see, especially over that priming oil. So for cream bronzer, I'm gonna of course be using my Made by Mitchell BLURSH bronzer. This one is in the shade Shady Business, and I like to apply it to my skin, and then I go in with my Fenty Beauty brush. I believe this is the 125 face brush. You can get it at Sephora. And I just heard that Fenty is going to Ulta, so you might be able to use your Ulta points on this brush very, very soon. But I'm going to use that brush to go ahead and blend this out. For concealer, I'm going to go in with the Magic Touch Concealer from Charlotte Tilbury. Can you guys believe that I'm almost out of this concealer? You guys know I have a love-hate relationship with this concealer, and to be honest, I think I'm going to repurchase it. I know. But listen, the coverage is so good. Although the packaging completely sucks, the coverage is amazing, and I really, really love the formula. So I went ahead and applied that to my skin, and I'm using an e.l.f. sponge. You can get it in a trio set at Ulta, Target. I've seen it at Walmart. It's amazing. So lately I've been going back in with a little bit more cream bronzer just to bronze up my temple area one more time, and that is because since I do my bronzer, my cream bronzer, before I do my concealer, the concealer kind of washes it away a little. So I've been doing this and I really like the way it looks. For powder, I'm going to go in with my Collab Set the Stage powder and of course my Makeup Forever powder puff and just set that under eye in place. This gives me a really nice smooth finish. To set the rest of my face, I'm going to go in with the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless powder, and that is basically it for complexion. I'm not going to add any blush yet, no bronzer, nothing like that. We're going to move into this more creative fun look. So here's what the look is looking like. It is so cute. I was so proud, you guys. I was super nervous to try to recreate this look at first, but I love it. So we're going to be using the P.LOUISE base in Rumor 2.5, of course, and I'm actually going to go ahead and prime my lid with this. So we do have foundation and everything on, and this is actually the first time I'm doing doing a colorful shadow look with my complexion already on. And I have to say, I didn't get as much fallout as I thought I would, so I might do this like actually more often, do my complexion first and then do the eyes. But anyways, moving back into the look, I'm going to be using some heart stickers. Now, this same day that I did this look, that morning, I went out to every single Dollar Tree near me. I went to Michael's, I went to Family Dollar trying to find heart stickers and couldn't find them anywhere, but I found these and I'm so excited I did. So you guys can see with the first heart, I have a little bit of space because my eye kind of dips at the outer part of it, so I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to fix that. For eyeshadow, I'm going to be going in with the LAROC Pro Artistry book in chapter 2, and I'm going to take this fluffy brush along with the shade Cotton Candy. Now, these are very, very pigmented eyeshadows, so you definitely want to be careful, but basically all I'm going to do is go ahead and pat on that shadow right over the sticker because the sticker is going to act as a stencil, and girl, when you remove it, I mean, are you kidding me? It was so clean, and you would think that like it would be messed up, but like no, it came out so good. I love it. So once I had everything pretty much stenciled out, I'm gonna work on the eye makeup. So this was very, very easy. Even if you want to just wear this eye makeup look for Valentine's Day, it's definitely a look. So I'm going in with the shade Cotton Candy, and I'm just going to put that in my crease and also connected to the first bigger heart, as you guys can see. And then I'm going to go in with the fluffy brush to start to really blend and diffuse it. The next shade I'm going to go into is actually the shade called Love Letter. So it's still a pink, but it's like a darker, deeper pink. And that is, of course, because I want to give the eyes some definition. You guys know I like to bring the drama with my eyeshadow. So I love when my eyeshadow has like a lot of depth to it, so that's what I'm doing here. The looks that I've seen, the eyes were very neutral and very soft, but I was like, yeah, no, let's just go all out. So now I'm gonna go in with my micellar water from Garnier, and I'm gonna go ahead and clean up my crease with a Q-tip. You guys see me do this a lot. This just helps to create an outline for me so I know where I'm gonna cut my crease. So I decided to cut my crease off camera. This is what it looks like right here. And then I'm gonna go back in with both shades that I used, so the shade Cotton Candy and the shade Love Letter, just to combine that outer corner with the lid. And I'm gonna go in with this eye shimmer. Okay, this is from MOIRA Beauty, and this is their liquid eyeshadow in the shade Air Glow. You guys, beautiful. They have so many shades to choose from. I highly recommend that you guys check out MOIRA Beauty. I'm gonna leave their website down below because I love so many of their products, and I think you guys would too. So if you enjoy the Stila liquid eyeshadows, these are a fraction of the price and they're beautiful. So I went in with a little bit more pink just to mesh everything together. And now let's work on these hearts. So to start off these hearts, I'm going to go in with the P.LOUISE base in the shade 0 and this super tiny detailed brush. And I'm not going to lie, this is going to take some time, and it's good that it does because you want to take your time. You do not want to go outside of this shape because if you do, it's going to be so difficult to try and fix it. So although this part was super time consuming and probably the most time consuming for the entire look, I definitely took my time. So this is what it's going to look like once you have it all filled in and outlined. And now I'm going to go in with a fluffy brush, and I'm going to pat on the shade Cotton Candy. So I'm going in with Cotton Candy, and I'm using a very light hand and going in very slow because I wanted these hearts to give kind of like that spray painted effect. Like, I don't know about you guys, if you've seen like a spray painted wall before. I'm from New York, so I see those pretty often, but it just wanted to kind of get that vibe, and I feel like I definitely did, and this is the way that I did it. So I started off with Cotton Candy, and then I went into Her Vibe and I applied that, and then for the darkest shade I decided to go in with a flat brush like this and really make a more defined shape, and I'm going in with the shade Love Letter here. So after this I decided to go back in, make sure everything is nice and blended, and can you guys kind of get the vibe of what I'm saying? Like, it kind of looks like a spray painted little heart. Very cute. So I love that. I definitely think that this technique really helped the most. Of course, you can go in with a flat brush if you wanted to make this process quicker, but trust me, when you take your time and you have patience with looks like this, the end result is going to be so worth it. So definitely don't rush. So I'm just showing you guys one more time how I did the heart. So started off with the lightest shade, then went in with the deepest shade with a flat brush to get that definition of the heart, and then I went back in and it just kind of blended everything out, and that was basically it. So So I did the other heart off camera, and then I got so into the look that I ended up doing these sparkles off camera too on accident. So I apologize, you guys, but I'm popping on my lashes. These are from TATA lashes in the style Mercedes. So beautiful. They're very long lashes, but they're not super thick and dramatic, so you're still able to see all the work that you've created. So for the lower lash line, I'm going to go back in with the shade Cotton Candy. Then I'm also going to go into the shade Love Letter. Sorry for the noise, you guys. I film my voiceovers by a window, and there's a lot of cars passing, so I apologize. And then I took a fluffy brush just to blend everything out. And then for my waterline, I'm going in with the Too Faced Killer Liner in Killer Cashmere. You guys know, my favorite nude liner ever. It's amazing. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and apply a good coat of lower lash mascara. And that is honestly it. For my lips, I didn't do the lips on camera. I'll leave everything down below if you guys are interested in my lip combo. But yeah, so I went back in with a little bit of the More Beauty Liquid Shadow to add some highlight into the inner corner. Reblended everything, make sure everything is really nice, smoky, blended, seamless. And then once you do that, your look is basically complete. So here's what the eyes look like up close. I am so proud of this look. I hope you guys enjoy it as much as I do. Also, I hope you guys have a wonderful Valentine's Day. Thank you so much for taking the time out to watch today's video. And of course, as always, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.